Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make some custom watercolor marbled gift wrap. So it's really easy, a little messy, but it's really cute once you get it all done. So to start, you're just going to take a piece of Kraft paper the size of your present. I bought this whole roll on Amazon for like $10 or $15. I don't know. But you'll just start with a piece as big as your present, and then cut it out. Okay. Then you are also going to need a glass of water. I'm using some Liquitex Acrylic Inks, and this one is in Muted Violet. It's a really pretty, like, primrosy kind of shade. A hair dryer or heat gun of some sort. I have a cheap one, and then I have this Dyson. I needed something a little hotter, or just to speed things up because I wanted it to go fast. Or you could use a heat gun, or you can just let it dry naturally and let the colors and patterns form themselves. So you'll need your present, like a set of coasters, ornaments, you know, whatever. And then just to finish off your wrapping, you can have some string, tape, scissors, gift tags, bows, whatever. But if you want to learn how to make some custom gift wrap, just keep watching.